And Sean Rickelman is going to bring them around. Making his return to the Rockford Speedway. He's going to set the pace. Here they come. Green flag, and we're racing. And it's a good clean start for Rickelman and Bridges. And we're side by side. Let's see what's going to happen in 3 and 4. So far, so good. Side by side. Here comes a fast qualifier. Will he make it 3 wide? Maybe. Maybe. Let's see what's going to happen. Rickelman, Bridges, side by side. We got a great race here. This may be the best race so far of the night. Bridges starting to get an edge. Evink's going to take advantage of the outside spot and try to get past Rickelman. It's Evink trying to claim into second. Whoa, that was close in turn 3 and 4. Rickelman dropping back to third. Evink looking to challenge for the inside. Will he hold it? It's Bridges. It's Evink. We got a good race here, folks. 4 down, 4 to go. This time by, it's going to be Evink, barely. Evink now going to take the lead in that very fast number 98 car. So we've got Evink, Bridges, Rickelman, and Bauer. 3 to go. We'll see if somebody's got something for Kelly Evink. If not, the drivers will probably have a lot of work to do in the pits. They definitely want to get their car up to par because Kelly Evink's going to be a fast car to deal with in the feature. And we got 2 more to go. But we've seen crazy stuff as we thought Terry Ciano had the race in the bag and he just all of a sudden disappeared. 1 to go for Kelly Evink. Looks like Bridges is starting to come back, maybe, but it ain't going to be enough. Kelly Evink will take home the checkered flag, followed by Todd Bridges, Sean Rickelman, and Sean Bauer. That was your fast heat as well. So this is going to be a great feature tonight for those cars as well. So Kelly Evink, sponsored. Let's get those sponsors there. 2005 Mustang, Retool, Get Used Tools, Neighbors Bar and Grill, Don Dewich. Also Kelly Evink, the 2014 American Short Tracker champion. So out of McChesney Park, Illinois, let's see if he's going to get out. All right. So here we go. He's getting out of his car. Make some noise. I think he's getting out of his car. I thought I saw the window net come down. There's his hand. Make some noise. It's Kelly Evink. You guys can stop down and see him. He has just